In this video, I'll show you how to fix the Amazon OTP problem. So the problem of not receiving an OTP is generally a sign-in problem. So what we're going to do is just go to amazon.com and we're going to go to the top right here and just click on account and lists, and that'll bring us to the sign in screen. Alright, so what I'd recommend here is obviously signing in with your phone number specifically, because that's the only way we're going to receive an OTP anyway. Now, if you're not receiving the OTP after 10 minutes at least of waiting, I would restart your phone. Occasionally that can help, and make sure that your SMSs are not maxed out so you don't have a full inbox of SMSs. And if all of that doesn't work, then and only then should you hit resend code. Now, if after the next 10 minutes you still got nothing, another thing that I like to use is send code to WhatsApp. This generally is the way to go when you're just not receiving a code from Amazon. Now, like I say, that usually fixes the problem, but that still doesn't fix the problem. On the home screen here, again, you don't have to be signed in for this. You can just click on customer service. They'll ask you to pick an option here. So we'll say login addresses. And then here you'll tick the boxes that describe your problem. I'm not going to click on that because it will probably open up a support ticket, which I don't want to open up. But again, that would be your way to go. I would though advise just waiting it out. And that's all I have for you today. Thank you so much for watching. Don't forget to hit like and subscribe, and I'll see you in the next video.